Well, new details on 3 recently arrested Roma High School students. All 3 now charged with Class B misdemeanors.
Their troubles due to sexting. That is according to the Stark County attorney.
They had a photo that they had gotten consensually from another juvenile, which was a female, and they shared it with each other.
Canales says that is illegal even without malicious intent.
And the school district now set to punish the students. Channel 5's Christian Colon with a closer look. It's all new at 10.
Some of those videos or pictures minors are taking on the phone are causing them to end up at the courthouse. If a child, 17 or younger, takes or sends an improper image to another child, such as a picture without clothing or performing sexual acts, that is not child porn.
But our laws no longer address these kinds of things as child pornography. They are depicted as sexting offenses. And so the way it's been written, it's designed to allow for a child who is, quite frankly, doesn't know the law.
A law that Victor Canales says has been in place for nearly 2 years, but no one seems to follow it. One part of it, let's say a child takes a nude of him or herself.
The violation is the actual possession and the transmission of it, not the intent, because it's a picture of yourself. The intent that you're having is that you're intending to send that photo to someone else. That's the requirement that we need to have.
A requirement that by possessing a nude can leave a child with a Class C misdemeanor. A charge, but the punishment is mostly handled administratively through the child's school. In a month, they get about 10 of those cases. But if the child sends to someone else?
But if that individual, the second individual, retransmits it and sends it to another person with the intent to harm, to embarrass, to some way harass the individual that's the subject of the photo, then we're talking about a Class B misdemeanor where they will be and they can be placed into the juvenile system.
Further punishments can include a Class A, possibly a felony if it's a repeated offender. For some Valley parents, this law caught them by surprise.
I was not aware of that, but in some cases I think that is good because kids take it too lightly and maybe they don't just share it with one person, they share it around.
Erica Garza is a mother of a middle schooler, which is the average grade Canales says the cases arise from. Garza says she tries to monitor her son's devices so things like this won't happen, and adds,
I think we should take more initiative to our kids. I'm not saying that parents are to blame, but we should be more involved in our kids' lives.
Something Canales says is crucial, teaching children that they too have criminal consequences. Again, Canales says education is key. At home is up to the guardians, but in school he says they're trying to implement programs to prevent victimization. In Rio Grande City, Christian Colon, Channel 5 News at 10.